Vibratory Post Driver packs a punch. Using hydraulic orbital technology, Blue Diamond offers a post driver with maximum efficiency. Using the auxiliary flow from the machine in the most productive way possible. The simple design means lower weight and safer operation without sacrificing power. Weighing a little more than 500 pounds and requiring only 7 gallons per minute to operate, this post driver can be put on almost any machine. We've designed this driver with an interchangeable mount for even more versatility. In an area where you need more reach, put it on an excavator. Confined space, a Mini will handle it too. Plus, with the optional tilt feature and an extensive selection of adapters, you can level up to any situation or challenge. Install fences, solar panels, signposts, and more. Compact and powerful. The Blue Diamond Vibratory Post Driver.